Mr. Kimihara was a Mexico City Olympic participant in 1968 and was awarded silver medal. The content of this time is main points about at the management lecture meeting of JMA. At the series, Mr. Nakamura was one of the presenters of JMA Improvement Presentation Meeting, but I will introduce it including the contents. You interviewed his lecture with Mr. Kimihara at the waiting room before the lecture. Not only sports, but also people may happen to increase the chance that their talent will increase as valuable meetings in their lives. Mr. Kimihara's encounter with the marathon was also greatly involved in having a great leader. In addition, if you use scientific analysis on this side here, it is extremely effective for improving technology. This content is exactly the same as the case in which companies proceed with work. The reason is that science has the following characteristics. First, science always has logical and reasonable requirements. Second, by using scientific means, anyone can quantitatively and accurately determine the quality of implementation. Third, by using science, we can get a high confidence in the future to a subject. That teaches us to increase the reliability of a goal setting and proceeding of a person. In marathon competitions, there are many cases where announcers are interestingly broadcasting tactics to win a game among players. However, Mr. Kimihara's story shows that this content is totally different. The reason is because the reproduction of the practice which got the best record is the purpose of the game. In addition, he said the coach scientifically chooses the driving method suitable for individual players, and to make the record improvement at training time. So, I believe that measures to apply these contents to use to competitions among companies and to improve the competence of individual companies are extremely effective. The main business of a marathon player is the race itself. However, when becoming famous athletes, there are many examples where there is a great mental burden on media correspondents after the game ends. He introduced, I heard that Mr. Kimihara received great guidance from the coach for this countermeasure as well, he said. I think that this experience shows an example suggesting preparation of various know-how beforehand when it deals with while concentrating on its core business when companies have influence of media etc. Many athletes were trying to marathon and training every day desperately to win in international matches. However, there are differences between them. In response to the situation, Mr. Nakamura asked to Mr. Kimihara personally, what is the difference between first class and second class? His answer was as follows. His answer was our players' practice menu is almost the same. The difference is how to catch a break. First-class players will absolutely keep balance between practice and breaks. However, the second-class athletes practice by reducing the breaks from fears many times, looking at the exercises of other athletes. As a result, they will not be able to practice based on your original plans, due to fatigue and injury. I believe that this content can be applied directly to corporate activities. In addition, because Mr. Kimihara described the contents obtained through the marathon here, I would appreciate it if you would like to refer. In addition, I think that you are learning from talking of Mr. Kimihara marathon life. There are many elements maybe for industrial people to make your quality of working life in this lecture, I believe.